Hey guys, it's Sam from Myron's Extreme Machines and the Electric Bicycle Center of Southern California, coming to you with probably the first review on the Ultra from Curry Technologies. This is an iZip model. Comes with a lifetime warranty on the frame, two-year warranty on the rest of the components, besides the battery, which will come with a 1-year warranty. The Ultra is new. We've been waiting on these for about a year now. We've been looking at them and checking them out. Very similar to the Enlighten series that Curry used to make. Like the Trails, the Trekking, and the Urban Cruiser Enlightened. The difference is this has got a bigger 36-volt battery pack. This is lithium-ion, 10 amp hour. Same kind of controller. You've got your power on-off switch on the handlebar, and you can control your power output to 5 different levels from 20%, 40, 60, 80, 100. I myself, when riding these bikes, don't feel that it's a true 20, 40, 60, 80. You just adjust it to fill the power output depending on as you're pedaling it in conjunction with the torque sensor back here. As you're pedaling it, it'll power up and give you power. Now this is a cyclist bike. There is no throttle on this bike, so you have to pedal the bike. And you are assisted with a 24-speed bike. You've got 3 gears on the front and 8 gears on the back. The difference between this bike and some of the other bikes that we carry that have a cadence sensor or a speed sensor is this is a torque sensor. And the torque sensor located back here actually gauges the amount of pressure as you're pedaling the bike. So it powers up. And this is tunable and adjustable as well with a special pigtail that plugs into the bottom of the bike down here. Again, I haven't got a lot of feedback on this bike yet because we just got it in. Only test ridden it a couple times. But I would say this is more of a cyclist bike, not somebody that has perhaps a knee replacement or a bad hip. This is something where without a throttle, you're going to have to pedal the bike and keep the bike in motion. For more specs and information on the bike, I'll review this at a later date. Just wanted to let people know and show them what it looks like and give them an idea of range on this bike. Should be probably somewhere between, I would say, 20 to 30 mile range. Again, depending on terrain, tire pressure, rider weight. All these things are contingent on your overall performance and distance that you'll cover on the bike. Okay, thanks for stopping in and checking out some of our videos regarding electric bikes that we carry. And if you have any questions or would like me to review other bikes, drop us a line or give us a call and let us know. We get lots of phone calls from all over the country of people that are interested in the bikes that we carry. And again, we'd be more than happy to review a bike that we carry. Let us know. Thanks for stopping in at Myron's. Bye.